Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to hide the trailing zeros in Odoo 19 for our custom module for the float field. Here, lastly we have seen how to hide the zero in the particular float field. In today's lecture, we will be studying about how to add a condition in the Kanban view and how to show data as per the condition in the Kanban view. So, as you can see, I am currently in my library management module. And here you can see we have data of all the records in the list view. And some are in draft, some are in available state. Now here is our Kanban view, which we have created in our previous lecture. Now what if I want to add a condition that if certain state is there, then I want to show particular text or particular thing in the Kanban view. For example, if the book is in available state, I want to show a special text in the Kanban view that this book is in available state. If it is in not available state, then I want to show nothing. So in order to do that, we can add if condition to the particular Kanban view. So let's see in the code. Here we are in the views of our library management module. Here there are various views like list view, form view, but we want to change or update in Kanban view. So what I'll do, here we have all the fields including the state. Here what I'll do, I'll simply add a div tag. Now in the div tag, I will add a condition t-if is equals to, followed by you have to add here a condition. So what I'll do, I'll simply add a condition. Remember in Kanban view, if you want to fetch the particular field record value, you need to add first thing as a record, which means the particular row. Then you need to mention which field value you want to use. For example, let's say I want the record value of a field name as state. Then you need to add the attribute known as row value, row underscore value. What it will do, it will fetch the value of that particular record. Now what we have done, we have added the condition if record dot state dot row value space equals to let's say available, VAIL. After that, if the particular record is in available state, then only show this particular div. And in this div, I will simply add a p tag and simply I'll add a style color green. And here I will simply add available, new, available. What I have done, I simply added the if condition in the div tag followed by a simple p tag with a particular style. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the browser, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading our module, let's go to library management, remove the filter, go to the Kanban view. See, as you can see in the Kanban view, you can see the state of that particular record is in available state. So we are seeing this particular text new available in all the records which have the state currently set as available. So with the help of t-if and with the help of record, you can add the condition to any of the particular field in the Kanban view to enhance the view. Simply summarize today's lecture. I had simply added a div tag in the Kanban view. In that div tag, I have simply added the div, then added the condition. This thing is used to fetch the value of that particular record, and here it is a simple condition, then followed by what you want to show in the Kanban view. And that's pretty much it. Then I'll simply restart the server and upgrade my module, and we got our desired output. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.